Hey everyone, so today we will study salivary gland. Very easy topic. So let's start the topic. So as you can see, I have given the diagram of the salivary gland. So it will give you idea where the gland is present in the body. First one is parotid gland. Parotid is present near the ear, as you can see this gland. Then second one is submandibular gland. It is present at the junction of upper and lower jaw. Present at the junction of upper and lower jaw. And the third and last one is sublingual gland. So as the name says, sub means below and lingual means tongue. So it is present below the tongue, on the ventral side of the tongue, this gland. And the one thing that you can see from the picture is size of the gland. So by looking at the gland, you can see that parotid is the largest salivary gland. Then sublingual is the smallest, and submandibular in between both of them. So moving towards the ducts and secretions. Parotid, submandibular, also called submaxillary, and sublingual. So location, as I told, parotid is present near the ear. Submandibular is present at the junction of upper and lower jaw. And sublingual, as the name says, sub means below and lingua means tongue. It is present below the tongue. Size, parotid is the largest one, submandibular is medium, and sublingual is smallest. Ducts, it is very much important. If the question is coming in the need, then it will be coming from this part. So parotid is drained by Stenson's duct, submandibular is drained by Wharton's duct, and sublingual is drained by duct of Rivinus. In the last slide I will give you one trick for this. Fourth one is opening of duct. This duct open where? In the mouth. So duct of parotid gland, that is Stenson's duct, opened in the vestibule of upper jaw. Then submandibular opens behind the incisor, lower incisor. And sublingual opens on the ventral side of the tongue. Ventral side of the tongue means lower side of the tongue. Vestibule of upper jaw. Here vestibule of upper jaw means the space between the cheek and the gums, that is vestibule. Okay. Then the nerve which supplies these glands, it is also very much important, very easy to remember. Parotid is supplied by 9th cranial nerve. Then submandibular is supplied by 7th cranial nerve, and sublingual is also supplied by 7th cranial nerve. Then moving towards the how much they contribute to the saliva secretion. Parotid is the largest one, but their contribution is only 25%. The submandibular contributes 70% to the total saliva secretion, and the sublingual contributes only 5%. Now moving towards the trick for the duct. So trick you can remember, I will write here. पारस सुबह सूर्या जाता है, सूर्या जाता है, जाता है। हिंदी में ट्रिक है, तो इसको ऐसे याद रखेंगे। पारस को एक आदमी है जो कि मतलब सुबह उठता है तो सूर्या जाता है। सूर्या जाता है मतलब कि किसी भी काम के लिए उसको सुर हो जाता है। सो फ्रॉम पारस यू कैन डिराइव पारस. तो here P for parotid and here duct S for Stenson's duct. Stenson's duct. And from this Su you can derive submandibular or submaxillary. And from V you can derive Wharton's duct. Wharton's duct. और सूर्या, फ्रॉम सूर्या सु यू कैन डिराइव सबलिंगुअल. सो इन दोनों में कैसे याद रखेंगे? सुबह के सु में और सूर्या के सु में. तो पता है कि सबलिंगुअल सबसे छोटा है तो वो लास्ट में आएगा। तो सू से यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, सबलिंगुअल, और रिया, रिया से आ जाएगा डक्ट ऑफ रिविनस। सो लाइक दिस यू कैन रिमेंबर द डक्ट। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।